Hello everyone, this is Julian from Kanen Coffee, and today we have a Breville Barista Touch with us in the shop. And I came in because the left grinder was not wanting to grind. It was making a hum noise, but it wasn't actually producing any coffee. After opening the grind chamber, taking pretty much the whole top of the grinder apart, we found that one, it was completely clogged with coffee, and two, that the machine's burrs were really dull. This machine, apart from the few scratches, it looks relatively new, but after going into the master settings, we found that it brewed quite a lot of coffee. And so after replacing both the top burr and deep cleaning the grinder, we now have a pretty good result. So we're going to first take this portafilter out. It's a beautiful normal core portafilter. This is customized. And we're going to go to Espresso and do a grind real quick. I did calibrate it to our beans. You would have to recalibrate it back at home, which is not too big of an issue. There's a lot of videos online on how to do it. Right now we're at grind setting 9. The upper burr, you can adjust the setting on the upper burr. I believe it's set to around 4 or around 6. So you do, even if it was too coarse, you do have a few steps of adjustment on top of adjusting the actual machine that you can get. As you can see, really fine powder in there. That's what we're going for the testing. You probably want it to push it a little bit more coarse. Again, this is just for testing purposes and seeing how good the grinder can do after the repair. Let me put this inside of here. We're already warmed up. We have a cup here, and we're going to just quickly brew a double shot. Besides that, we didn't do any other work to this machine, just replacing the burr, making sure that the grind setting was correct and that it's able to grind. And so, yeah. That shot's coming out quite beautiful. This is a darker roast, so you would see that really dark color to the coffee. And it's a test coffee, so it's quite old, so you might there might not be a lot of crema on it. Pretty much all the gases had already been released just from oxidation and stuff like that. But yeah, pretty good shot. And that's about it for this repair. If you like this video or any of our other repairs on our channel, leave a like, subscribe, and hit the bell. Thanks for watching.